Hi guys, mango season is here and today I will show you how to make a thick, creamy and delicious mango kulfi instantly without cooking in just 5 minutes. This is the list of ingredients you will require. In a blender jar, take 250 ml of full cream milk, 200 ml fresh cream which is medium fat 25%, 1 tin or 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk, and 200 grams of mango pulp. Blend for 90 seconds. And our kulfi mixture is ready. Now we will see various ways to set and serve the kulfi without kulfi molds. If you have these cute little earthen matkas, just pour the kulfi mixture into them and freeze. You will get the delightful matka kulfi. You can use these disposable paper cups as DIY kulfi molds. Pour the kulfi mixture and freeze. I'll show you how to unmold them later. If you do not have anything similar, don't worry, just set this kulfi in any large vessel that you have. You can just chop it up or scoop it out later on and serve. Cover the vessels and freeze for 4 to 6 hours. Our kulfi in the various containers has set now. Keep the kulfi at room temperature for 5 minutes to soften it. To demold the kulfi from the paper cup, dip the cup in room temperature water for 5 seconds. Run a knife around the edges. Cut the paper cup using scissors and peel and discard it. The single serving kulfi is ready. Garnish with some chopped pistachios and almonds before serving. This mango kulfi is deliciously thick and creamy and is the perfect way to enjoy mangoes this summer. Enjoy! If you like this video, please like and share it. Also leave your comments below. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such fun recipes. Thank you.